Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 Cadillac ATS in white with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4-door sedan. It's a 4-cylinder engine and it has all-wheel drive. It also has a backup camera and a moonroof. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 2 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here. As well, you have your parking sensors. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it, you have your dash controls as well as cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, it has push start. So the key's in my pocket, foot's on the brake, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages are going to appear, and as well your odometer reading. And I'm just going to show you on the steering wheel, you also have a heated steering wheel with hands-free dialing. And then your controls are located here with the volume and tuner for your media. In the center, you're seeing the display screen, and this is where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. You also have your media choices of AM, FM, and below that is your volume. You have dual climate control for both driver and passenger. That's the fan. You have heated seats for driver and passenger, as well as front and rear defrost. Down below, you can push open this, and it's a little cubby, and you also have a 12 volt in there. Your automatic shifter is located there, and you have your traction control as well as your mode. And when you press the mode, you have Tour, Sport, and Snow Ice, and then it goes back to normal. A couple of cup holders, and then your armrest opens up, and inside lots of storage as well as USB outlet. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Your hazard lights are located here. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror. OnStar, you can subscribe to this monthly. There's a monthly fee for that. There's your lighting controls. As well, you have the garage door opener, and then you have a moonroof, so you can tilt and slide, and simply by pushing the buttons, it'll open it right up for you for some nice fresh air. 17-inch wheels, chrome door handle with easy entry, meaning when the fob is in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. There's backup sensors on the bumper as well as dual exhaust. When you want to open up the trunk, you can do so by clicking and holding your fob. It power releases it for you, and then it makes it easier to get in. Inside, it's nice and roomy and carpeted, and you also have a bin off to the side there to put items. And when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle on the right. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily pull the clip at the back of the seat and it'll bring it right down. You now have access to the back trunk area. And on the back of the seat in the center here is a pass-through. You can access that through the middle. So if you wanted to reach into the trunk for any reason, you could do so. And this is where your armrest as well as cup holders is located. And you can open this up for more storage, and there's your pass-through right there. You're seeing that. On the floor, extra carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. Your air vents are located in the center there, and you also have a little bit of a cubby, so you have your 12 volt there. Up above is hooks and handles. Passenger side fuel cap, tinted glass, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, parking sensors, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.